Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Capricorn. Capricorn people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Capricorn, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy, then we'll proceed with your readings. So we have Two of Swords and the Hanged Man. Capricorn, this is your current energy, Two of Swords, and this is your partner's current energy, the Hanged Man. Alright, okay, so with this card, Two of Swords, Capricorn, you are ignoring something, okay, deliberately. You don't want to see anything, or you don't want to see a certain situation in your life. You are someone who is calm, who is grounded, okay. You are someone who is not getting angry on anything, okay. You have a very peaceful attire, you have a very peaceful mindset at this point of time, and you have emotions as well, okay. It's not that you are emotionless person, you have emotions as well, but something is bothering you, or something is asking you not to take any action towards it, okay. And this is the reason you have closed your heart chakra. You do not want that thing to enter in your life. It could be a person, it could be a job, it could be a career, it could be a situation, it could be a relationship, okay. So you are somebody who is very calm, very poised, who is very full of emotion, but yes, at the same time, you know what is good for you, okay. So whatever the thing which is not good for you, what you feel about this, you are not going to take any action towards it, okay. And this is your partner's current energy, Capricorn, the Hanged Man. With this card, it seems like your person has put something on hold, okay. This person has kept something on hold. They wanted to take some action towards it, but then they realized that, okay, am I going too fast? Is it right time to take some action towards it? Is it right time to do such thing what I'm planning to do? So whatever the case it is, it seems like they have kept something on hold, okay. It could happen that they have kept a job offer on hold. It could happen that they have put this relationship on hold, okay. So something is there which they have kept on hold. Now let's see what is the mutual energy. Going with the flow. Very good, very good, Capricorn. It seems like both of you have understood something, or understood the crux of the story, that okay, certain things are not in my control, certain things are beyond my control, which I cannot control, okay. Some relationships, some jobs, some opportunities, some finances, some goals, some life path are beyond my control, beyond my imagination. So both of you have learned a lesson, and right now you are just going with the flow. You are not thinking about anything, you are not thinking about your future, okay. What all you are thinking right now is just to focusing what is right in front of you right now, okay. You are just dealing with a day-to-day life. You have no big plans right now, and it's for both of you, not for you specifically, but for both of you, okay. Now Capricorn, I'm going to pick 3 cards for you to check what your person feels about you, what action they are taking towards you currently, and what action they are going to take for you in future. The Dream, Ordinary, yes. The Miser, okay. It seems like your person must be dreaming about you, or they feel that you are somebody who must be dreaming about them, okay. This is the reason perhaps you have closed your heart chakra, that you do not want to let anybody else into your life in terms of love and emotion and relationship, okay. And perhaps you have closed your heart chakra, and they were somebody who wanted to take some action. That's why they are in this Hanged Man energy, and you are waiting for them to be out from this energy. That's why you have closed your heart chakra. So they know that, see, you have closed your eyes, but their eyes are wide open. It means they can see you. You can't see them, but they can see you, okay. And they know that you must be dreaming about them, okay. They know that you must be thinking about them, okay. You must be cherishing all the good times, whatever you guys had spent, all right, okay. So current action towards them is that They are just enjoying their current life right now. They are not thinking about anything. Okay, they are into some place where they are, just cherishing their old memories. Okay, perhaps they are also, they must be thinking about you as well. Okay, but they are not letting you know. They are not letting you know that I'm also thinking about you. This time they are just gathering all their energies back. Okay, they must be re-energizing their energies. Okay, they must be collecting all the good memories whatever they had spent with you. And in future, with this miser card, I feel that this person is going to be very very protective towards you. Okay, even though you do not know who is coming towards you, but as I told you that they can see you from a distance, that you have closed your eyes and heart chakra for everyone. So with your this quality is definitely going to melt their heart, and they'll be more protective towards you. Okay, they'll be more um, what should I say, they'll be more caring towards you. Okay, because they don't want you to let go at any cost. Okay, now let's see what angels are asking you to do. What angels are asking you to do. You are ready. Okay, it seems like this message is for your partner, not for you, because they are being somebody who is in this energy, the hanged man, and you are being somebody who is waiting for them. Okay, so this message could be for them, that they are ready. They should not be in this energy anymore. They should start taking action towards you. They should start approaching you. Okay, so this card is for them for sure. Okay, so Capricorn, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Pisces with this Hangman card. Some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this going with the flow and the dream card. Some of you could be dealing with fire, earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this ordinariness and the miser card. And some of you could be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign with this two of swords. Alright. So Capricorn, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.